It's almost time for us to come home from our road trip, but before we return, we need to make a few filler blocks. On these, they're just very simple. They are just simply sewing squares together into different patterns. There's actually 5 different filler blocks that you will need to make. The first one is just a simple 4-patch. It is done, the method that it tells you is you strip piece the 2 pieces, subcut them, and it's just a simple 4-patch that will be 6-inch square finished, and you're going to need 2 of those. Block number 2, you're going to need to make in 2 different sizes. It's simply a 9-patch. You're going to need to make 1 that finishes at 6 inches, and you're going to need 2 that finish at 5 inches. Block number 3 is just a row of squares. It's going to finish at 1.5 inches by 9. You only need to make 1 of them. Block 4 is a 6-patch. You're going to take your 6 squares of your dark green and your very dark green, and you'll put them in rows and then sew the 2 rows together. Block 4 will measure 7.5 by 5 inches finished. Block 5 is basically the same thing as block 4, except you're using your medium dark green and your dark green. It's the same 6-patch, but this one is going to measure 4 inches by 6 inches. You'll only need 1 of those. Once you have finished all of these filler blocks, you will be ready to put your quilt together.